let's run the solution and then we see the implementation. Set a starter project and let's run. Basically, the idea here will be using this grid from DevExpress Blazor by itself without XAF that already have a few functionality that it will be coming soon to XAF, and inject again our own template. I think that the ability to create our own template is one of the because it's easy and you can do basically anything. Let's give it a second. And in the meantime, we can see the structure of our data. So we have company, department, and branch. We have branch, we have company, and we have department. If you see, they all relate to each other. So a company has a collection of branches, and a branch has a collection of departments. So company, branch, department. Those are the three levels of that relationship. If we go to our application, so we're gonna go to company, and we're gonna have a company. We put it in Nike, it doesn't matter. And then you can go to your branches, and then you will have the collection for your branches. And inside those branches, you will see the department. So basically, this is a quick visualization for the user who wants to drill down all the relationship that this company has to see how many branches they have, and those branches, how many departments. So you can go and all those levels and see the information that you need. And of course, you can show this is I want to see from the department and the salary of all the employees or whatever. But basically, we still don't have this out of the box, but we can implement it real quick. And it's kind of the same approach that we're gonna have here. So if we see here, we have our company master detail racers, and we see that we have for DX grid, the one for the express, but then we're gonna have more information about it. We have the detailed row template, and in there, we're gonna pass another razor markup with another component that is the branch detail. And if we go to the branch detail, well, we'll have another grid where we have again the detailed row template, and we're gonna have our department detail. So we can go as like in section, one inside the other one inside the other one, the other one inside the other one. So we can go as in depth as we want. But if you see, basically pretty simple. We have our DS script as we will use in Blazor by itself, because as always we say, Blazor is a Blazor application or regular normal .NET Blazor application. So basically we create a grid and then we put our template there, and that's it. Of course, we have our everything, our model and our lower layer. So this is what it connects with XAF. Just the list editor. We have our list editor here. That is the company master detail list editor. That's how we call it. And this is the one who creates through the render our razor and connect that razor with our model that is basically a class. That's it. From there, everything is exactly as we have seen before. There are the four components every time that we create either a property editor, that is list editor, that is the model, the adapter, the render, and the actual list editor, that is the XAF layer. But everything else is exactly the same as we have done with the other list editor. The selected, so this keeps working, the refresh, like all the things that we have to implement in a list editor is exactly the same. The only thing that we need to do is make sure that we create the razor component that we need, and that razor component is the one, let's see it again, that is calling the other component, and that other component is again calling the detail department detail. And at the end, the detail department detail doesn't have that row edit because we don't have to go to that. There is no other layer. That's the last layer. We go company, branch, department. And with just that, voila, we have our implementation that I think that is really neat and it's really short and to the point.